Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm currently in a place called Wandering Wiregrass OHB Trailhead. And by the grace of the Almighty, I made it. I trailered my newly acquired Honda TRX700 with my Prius. Well, the tires was almost disinflated, so I figured that out when I was at the gas station. I actually left the gas cap disconnected when I filled it up right here, and I was going down the highway going 65, 70. I don't know how it stayed, so I thank God it stayed in place. So yeah, I'm out here. I'm actually close to a place called Alexander Springs. There's like a big, just all kinds of trails. There's a few points of interest, including the Alexander Springs. I think there's like a graveyard, and of course the trails. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take the drone out and shoot it from here so you guys can see this area and most of the forest trails. Let me get to that.
Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
All right, so I met that nice gentleman, Chris. He told me that camping is not allowed in this section, unfortunately. Only a campground called Big Scrub and the Centennial Trail, which is interesting. It's good. And apparently we cannot go into the other side because I was planning to go check out, Alexander Springs. I cannot go in there because apparently the rangers don't allow it no more, which is all right. But I think that this trail is going to be pretty awesome. It's got lots of jumps in here and there. I don't plan to thrash the ATV too much, but yeah. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get the ATV out of the trailer. I saw this gentleman take it out of his truck without the ram, just letting it drop. So I'm going to try that on mine. I think it's gonna work. All right, I'm gonna get stretched out. There we go. I wanna see if I can just drop it like he did. Let's see. Hope I don't break my darn thing. It's got it. All right. Okay. Straps are out. Yeah, straps are out. There we go. I hope I don't break this thing. Oh, I gotta get my keys. I gotta break lock. Okay, brake lock is out. Let's see if this works. I guess it does work, but I gotta push it. You have it first? No, I haven't turned it on yet. Okay. There we go. All right, learning experience. All right, let me go. All right, there we go. Just gotta let it warm up for a little bit while I get everything back in the car and get started. Okay, I believe I'm ready. Mr. Chris was kind enough to wait for me. Appreciate that. I gotta put you guys on the helmet and get started. Put the map, current location. Alrighty, I got the map ready to roll. Ready? Up. He's gotta be a little crazy than me, but yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. this bumpy. He was not kidding. It does beat you up. I tried to keep up with him. You alright? Roundabout. Now try it. I gotta put my backpack in there because it's getting in the way. Okay, here we go. Gotta put it back here. Yep. There we go. That's a little better. There we go. Why didn't I do this before? I can't believe the bag is staying in place. Look, the bag stays in place. Woo. I gotta stand up for these bumps. I can't be sitting down. There we go. I tried to keep up with him. He's faster. I'm an amateur. I cannot believe my bag stays there. Oh, that's good. I don't have to worry about it. He looks like Bowser. I can buy your cart. Oh man, I cannot be mean to the guy. He's nice. My hands are hurting. Keeping everything in control. My God, this is a workout. You alright?
I'm trying to pick up people's trash.
Oh, that's what it is?
That's why they're shutting down all of our trucks.
Oh, because I keep leaving crap.
Leaving trash everywhere, bro. Everywhere.
So that's why they tried to close it.
Blue seat was the main reason they shut it down. Because
But people keep leaving messes. So the blue sink, they closed it because of that. You heard it, guys. Pick up your trash.
when you go out
All right, so we're gonna do a public service. We're gonna go back and get some trash bags. Woo! Okay, so we're back. We're gonna get some trash bags. We're gonna do some public service. Yeah, you can put it in here. All right, see you guys in a bit.
usually out of town, people are living out here.
So here's the problem, guys. They're planning to close this Wiregrass LHP trail because people come here and leave this crap around. So Mr. Chris here and we're gonna do a little public service. I'm gonna take a picture of this. I want people to see this. This is messed up. And I just got out here. Okay, got that. Handy bag. All right, so we're gonna get ready, right? And start picking stuff up. Let's do this.
Not too many people like to come out and help clean stuff up, man. Good stuff. But it's the main reason why they're talking about shutting this place down.
Oh, Mr. Chris, aka Mr. Bowser, I'm Koopa Chupa. So yeah, check this out, guys. We spent what, maybe 20, 30 minutes max here, and it's already looking clean. Look at this. That's a lesson for you guys out here. Clean after yourselves, please. Doesn't take a whole lot. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my drone, shoot it from here. You guys can see the spot and the surrounding areas. That'll be fun.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
All right, people. We finished cleaning up. We're gonna be heading into the road. I want to check out the. There's like a little graveyard over there, Shukli graveyard. I want to check that out real quick before I go on the road. All right, here we go. Fun times. Ugh. All right, let's go check it out real quick. So here is Shukli Graveyard. Roscoe. Here it is. It's not that big. It's not that big. All right, let me go back to Mr. Bowser. Thankfully, he didn't mind me calling him Bowser. Cool dude, man. I like this guy, Chris. Good-hearted man. Good people. All right, let's head out. Oh, the camera's all crooked. My camera's all crooked. There we go. There we go. We're ready to roll. I'm ready when you are, brother. What happened?
I'm trying to find a road back here. Like, did you bring my truck to pick this trash up?
Oh, okay. He wants to get a truck so he can pick up the trash because we cleaned his areas. It's nice, man. It's looking better as it is. And it doesn't take a whole lot. All right, let me open the trail.
So I'm saving this location to where we are right this second.
Okay, so this is where I started. This is where I'm at. All right. So I don't want to get lost. I really don't. How much battery do I have left? Oh yeah, I got plenty of battery. I'm gonna be all right. All right, we're on the move. Man, he's fast. Bowser is fast. I'm Koopa Troopa. I'm too slow. I could probably camp in there. Yeah, we're going a different route. We're going a different road. Okay, different road it is. Fast. Okay. arrived at my road. Made it. Whew. Okay, it says here that we did 8.27 miles, and I gotta be honest, these machines eat up the miles, man. They do. They eat up the miles. Gosh. Well, for better or for worse, this is Wiregrass. Wandering Wiregrass OHB Trailhead. Make sure you guys clean up after yourselves so they don't close places like this so we can have them. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. This has been fun. See you guys on the next one.